Welcome, Raiders. Hi, Raiders.
Why is there so many
Raiders, welcome to this LLLLL chat. All my chatters are LLLL all day, every day. LLLLL. Welcome, Raiders. Hi. Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. I'm usually streaming in Phuket, but now it's Bangkok, Thailand. Now we're in Bangkok, Thailand.
Welcome to WO Wait.
Yeah. I don't see no taxis. Thank you so much for the follow. How was your stream, Barry? Did you have a good stream? Did Barry have a night? Is Barry still in Phu Quoc? You guys should check out Barry. She's an IRL Vietnamese streamer who I did not meet. This time I just went to Vietnam. We did not get to
This is a special welcome to the Raiders.
Wow, it must have been fun though. Did you have a good time? Tashin, thank you so much for gifting Barry a sub. Thank you so much. Enjoy your gifted sub. Welcome, Raiders. Again, welcome, Raiders. We just left the rooftop bar. It was really beautiful. I'm on my way back to the hotel actually because it's pretty late here now too. It's midnight. Tomorrow I have to wake up early. Have a stream. Have a Chatuchak market stream. It's my last day in Bangkok. I have my flight at 6 p.m. So, yeah, actually I need to find somewhere to leave my bag. That will be interesting. But yeah. Chatuchak market. It's my first time. And I'm really excited because when I was a kid, I heard about Chatuchak a lot. You can find everything in Chatuchak. Chatuchak is massive. Chatuchak is like super, especially with animals. Apparently you can find really like exotic animals.
Harvey _LLLL_ James has redeemed LLLL.
Chatuchak. Wait, why did I change my driver last minute? Aww. Chatuchak, no Chatuchak. Chatuchak. How are you feeling after your long stream, Barry? You've already gone 6 months? Really? We got 6 months? Whoa. Hang on, I'm just checking to see. Huh? Wait, 2 drivers cancel on me? I've never had drivers cancel on me in Thailand before. What? This is the 3rd one now. Wow. Wait, you just got... Oh my god, Tasha, that was 6 months of subs in advance? What? Tasha, thank you so much for 6 months subs in advance to Barry. Holy shit. Wow. Thank you. 6 months sub. Thank you so much. Well, enjoy, Barry. Enjoy. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wowee. So this happens to Keth a lot too? Bummer. This guy, I don't know. I don't know if he'll cancel on me again. Whoa. The building is closing. What do you guys think this is, guys? Chat? It looks like a bean with 4 wings. Doesn't it look like a bean with 4 wings? Let's see. 4-winged bean? What is it? Look at that. 4-winged bean. Oh no, it has a face. It's cute. A dove. Is there a Starbucks around here? Because my driver is, my pin is pinned at a Starbucks. Damn. Oops. But it says T1 building Starbucks, so I'm at T1 building. So it should be good. It's a Pokemon! Da-da-da-dun, da-da-da-dun. It's a Pokemon. Oh, Starbucks is inside. Okay, then we're at the right place. Please don't cancel on me, sir. Oh, I need to charge my phone, actually. Sorry, my phone is dying. Wow. Thank you again so much for the raid. Ah, hang on, let me get the cable. Pokemon is a big thing in Thailand. I didn't watch a lot of it as well.